In this video, I'm going to show you how to search quickly for system settings rather than having to dig through menus. So to do this, we're going to go to the bottom left corner and click on our Start menu. And then we're going to go 2 icons up to our Settings cogwheel. Now this has already been appropriately sized, so right here in the top center, we find a search box with the word Find a Setting. So if we would like to change our screen resolution, we could just type in screen resolution. Let's see, there we go. And we could see the setting for change the screen resolution of the display. Clicking that, we can find our display resolution right here and ready to change. This is often much faster and convenient than finding it manually, such as having to go into our personalization. Oh, it's not in our personalization. Let's go back to the home. Let's try system. Under display, and there's our display resolution. This is how searching for the setting can sometimes be faster than digging through your menus. I hope this video has been helpful for you and is brought to you by nephewtech.com, and I hope you've learned something.